Hey everyone! Welcome to Asul's World. Today, we're bringing you a fun and safe DIY project for your little ones, edible ice paint. This is the perfect activity for a rainy day or just to spark your child's imagination. With just a few ingredients, you can make this colorful and delicious paint. First, grab some push-pop bubbles and food coloring. Add 1 drop of your chosen color into each bubble. Then, add water using a syringe to prevent the colors from mixing, ensuring you keep them separate if desired. Once done, freeze the push-pop bubbles overnight. The next morning, hand your kids the frozen bubbles and let them paint to their heart's content. These colorful pops are not only safe to eat but also make easy to clean paint. This DIY project is not just a fun activity for kids but also helps improve their fine motor skills and creativity. So why not give it a try? Your kids will love this DIY project. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fantastic ideas like this one. Stay creative, stay safe, and see you next time.